Lenovo docking stations extend your laptop's ports, but monitor issues like no signal errors on HDMI, DisplayPort DP, or USB-C are common. First, ensure your laptop supports video output via USB-C alt mode or Thunderbolt, checking Lenovo's website or tools like HWinfo. Update your dock's firmware and laptop's BIOS using the Lenovo Vantage app. This resolves many compatibility problems by improving display protocol auto detection and power delivery. Power cycle both the laptop and the dock by unplugging them for 30 seconds. Check cable integrity and ensure they are securely connected. Prioritize the correct port in your OS display settings. Try multiple monitors to isolate the issue. If basic troubleshooting fails, mismatched resolutions or EDID conflicts might be the cause. Confirm your dock supports the monitor's resolution and refresh rate, such as 4K at 120 Hz. For HDMI issues, firmware updates often bypass EDI conflicts. DisplayPort problems may require high-quality, certified cables with ferrite cores to address lane skew or bandwidth issues. Resetting the dock to factory settings can also resolve persistent problems. For USB-C issues, ensure proper power delivery profiles are negotiated. Looking ahead, USB-C is becoming the universal connector. Future trends include wireless docking with Wi-Fi 7 and AI-assisted troubleshooting via cloud-linked apps, aiming for automated fixes and reduced downtime.